Today we're doing a light switch replacement because I have this 10-year-old or I don't know, maybe 12-year-old Lutron dimmer switch, and it started to flicker from time to time with the latest LED bulbs. So what I'm trying to do is to replace it with another very similar Lutron dimmer switch. And these ones, they said it's LED plus. These are newer products, so I'm hoping that they have updated the design to work with LED bulbs. So by this time I have turned off the circuit breaker and the main panel. Whenever you do electrical work, that's the first step you would do, and also verify that there's no power. Remove the plate. Switch. Okay. So the old one has two black wires. The new one has red wires and black wire. The new one is good for three-way switch. Let's see why. Oh, okay, yeah, and then just to be double sure, I have this power detector. So there's no power. Make sure, yeah. Okay, better read the instruction then. Use the red and black, but don't use the one that's red and white. That's for the three-way switching. So let's see. Do I just? Oh, okay, I can use it. Use this connector to cap it. Use this to cap it. Okay, so it's not conducting to anything. So we can remove the old one. Okay, old one's old, gone. Yeah. And let's see, ground wire. Okay, ground wire. Okay, black wire. Black wire is a hot wire. And red wire. Neutral. Stick it back in. Let's see. On this side. Alright, so at this point I'm gonna turn the power back on and then test it to see the dimming range. I think there's an adjustment on the side, you can adjust a little bit. Okay, so we're back and looks like, yep, there's a little bit of this lights on, and then turn it higher, lower. So now that's set, and we put the plate back on. Okay, just put this plate back on. Huh, it looks a little bit recessed. I don't really like that. So. Okay, let me see if I can fix that. Maybe just let it loose a little bit. Try that. Oh, it's okay. I think that's done. Hopefully it doesn't flicker anymore. So we'll see. With time, we'll see if it flickers again. because it only happens occasionally, so it's hard to test right now. But if you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hopefully this will help somebody with doing the same thing. Well, have a good one then.